Feel uninvited.
Many times I ask from myself that what type of cryptocurrency or crypto coin I love the most. Then I got the answer, the coin which has good security and privacy, long term benefits and easy to use. Here comes the Simba stable coin. Simba stablecoin has the speed and scalability of the Ethereum network and is compatible with all ERC20 token services. This means it can be stored in any ERC20 supporting wallets and is as secure as Ethereum and can act as the Bitcoin for the Ethereum ecosystem. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video, we are going to talk about the SST token, Simba Storage Token, and I will tell you that how you can purchase this token and who is behind the team and what is the aim and mission of the Simba Storage Token. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major updates regarding crypto.
Here I come.
First of all, this token's SST is available on CoinMarketCap at this time, and it is also available on the Windex exchange in two big pairs. The first one is USDT and the second one is BTC. So you can easily purchase this token directly from the Windex exchange in two big pairs. The first one is USDT and the second one is BTC. Now, what is Simba all about? Simba aims to be the most convenient and robust platform for storing bitcoins. Their solution is bringing security and efficiency benefits in long-term holding crypto assets as it provides an institutional grade security storage with easy to use interface and great level of privacy. It provides a liquid stable coin called Simba stablecoin that is backed to Satoshi and may be used for a variety of economic activities such as remittance and day-to-day payments. Simba combines advantages from both BTC and Ethereum. The asset is permissionless and scarce, just like BTC, which means it shares all of Bitcoin's user cases and properties as a transparent and permanent digital record of value. Simba plans to launch its physical custodial vaults in 4 crypto-oriented countries in the first 6 months of its operation and also planning to register in Estonia, UAE, Switzerland and New Zealand. The Swiss company Trust Group GmbH advises and accompanies the project. It is not the new project. Basically, Simba started the testing on October 2, 2019, and the team of Simba preparing for the launch carefully and for a long time so that the project was of high quality. Team of Simba is working on the project for so long, and they were in crypto from last 3 years and have been successfully operating the crypto fund NTS Crypto. As in the starting, they are just planning to launch their office in minimum and to also, you can say, the registration. They are trying to register their company, the Simba company, in 6 different countries. So it is a great thing about this token. Now we are going to talk about the team. So basically, the team of the Simba token. Basically, Anton Catton is a person who is basically the project manager of Simba, and he is open with his investors, maintains his blogs. He came to the crypto market already with experience in real estate investment. Anton also founded a consulting company for cryptocurrency market forecast for Elliott Wave Theory and in the future for stock market forecasts. Here comes the mission of the Simba storage. So if you have any type of more questions, simply message them directly on their social media, so the team is going to answer each and every question of yours. And if you have any type of more questions, simply comment in the comment section. Thanks a lot.